Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and fill out attestation form here in American Airlines. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, first of all, access your americanairlines.com, and as you have been filling out the attestation form for a long time and you've been wondering how to or what is the thing, first thing I would like you to know is access the second tab. You can see we have search attestation. You can airlines, and if you tap on this first search link of ours, if you tap on it, you can see American Airlines no longer requires you the passenger attestation form for you to travel. So you don't have to go through the worry of how to fill that up or whether do I have to. It's not a necessity anymore. You can simply go back to your official website, official American Airlines website here in the home page, and book your trip just by completing this step and checking out, entering the information as it asks. You don't have to do that anymore. But for some reason, if you would like to fill that form, is all you have to do is simply go to search bar and type in attestation form US. And now you can see we do have a passenger attestation form PDF as well for you to print it out and do. Otherwise, simply go ahead, tap on the cdc.gov combined passenger disclosure. You can see this is a particular form in the PDF, right? You can simply choose to print it out and fill out the form as you would prefer. So that is it, guys. But if it's just for the American Airlines, you do not have to do it anymore. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.